Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourself. Please subscribe the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. The events of 9th June 2024 are follows. As per Benimadhav Sil Ponjika, today's Tithi is Shukla Tritiya up to 1626 hours and after that Shukla Chaturthi. As per Benimadhav Sil Ponjika, today's Nakshatra is Punarvasu up to 2132 hours and after that Pushya Nakshatra. Today is Coral Triangle Day. Today is National Donald Duck Day. Today is National Children's Day. Today is Maharana Pratap Jayanti. Today is birth anniversary of Miss Baroness Bertha Sophie Felicita von Suttner. Today is birth anniversary of Sir Henry Elliot Dale. Today is death anniversary of Mr. Birsa Munda. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Willie Ninja. Today is death anniversary of Mr. Dinesh Chandra Mujumdar. Thank you very much for your patience.